This is my day 18. So, nag-start ako on January 9. Coming from 221 pounds. Now, I'm gonna weigh my weight today. So, samahan niyo ako. So, this is the weighing scale. So, yan. Okay, so, ito magtitimbang na ako. Step on the scale. Okay, so ito yung weight ko. Okay, so nalose ko ano na, almost 20 pounds na. So in 18 days. Still on diet, tapos lots of cardio. So yun yung secret. So tingnan natin kung hanggang saan pa kung kaya ko, kung hanggang saan ko pa yung kaya ko. Okay, yun lang.